Hello children, good morning everyone. This is your social science teacher going to teach you about your chapter number 5 A's of industrialization. As previously I posted 4 videos regarding this regarding 6th chapter, but matter in 6th chapter is belong to this industrialization is only. So don't please get confused. Right? So you have to prepare this only your periodic tests. Whatsoever I taught you, that is only for your periodic test. And A's of industrialization, you know first meaning of industrialization. When work of hand is done by machines. So industrialization took its roots during 18th century, 1742. With the invention of printing press, with the invention of spinning jenny, steam engine, all these things were there during this only. Right? During printing press, this was very innovative, very fast reoccurring system was there. So don't forget, don't mix up it these things. So when we talk about industrialization, the work of hand is taken by machines. And with the invention of this spinning jenny, it is the instrument through which this cloth is woven. And when there was invention of spinning jenny during 1835, and it is drawing whatsoever I am going to you. It is a drawing of spinning jenny, right? And 100 spindles are there. Then upper stairs spindles are there. These are the lower spindles, and it is the wheel. Through this wheel, it is being here moved, and these spindles go ups and down, and thread is woven. When there was its spinning jenny's invention was there, many women got unemployed. There was some we can say revolutionary type steps were there, or some took its idea. James Hargreaves in 1764 it was invented, and many women got unemployed because this single machine does the work of 100 women. Like nowadays computer for calculations, robotic machines are there, many things you may see like that. So in this way it reduced the demand labor. When demand labor is reduced, ultimately women got unemployed. So in this way this age of industrialization, life of the workers was also very much influenced during this age of industrialization. I am going to tell you about that. Due to this hand labor, steam power, these engines were discovered and work is done. Then factories came up. These are the 3 steps. And before that, whatsoever is doing, neither that is fully industrialized nor that is fully hand work. That is proto-industries. That is the initial form of industry. It is not in its full steps, because big industries, before industry there was factories, small factories, then big factory, then big industry. That is the indicating the first early form of industrialization, that is proto-industries. Okay, got children? And in this way, when we are talking about this industrialization, I would like to show a picture given in the book. That is the image created by two magicians are there. You may see first the city is totally clean, no smoke is there, but as soon as the factories came up, smoking chimneys, these are creating suffocation situation, ecological balance is being disturbed, right? It is there according to their situation of that time. Then next this is the dawn of, mean to say, proto-industry, when during 18 centuries, it is the dawn of the century, mean to say when 19th century is about to start, how it looks like. In the beginning it looks like very much, you may see the happiness, and as well as the machines are working over there, this and that type of conditions are there. Go through, that is orientation was there. Orientation mean to say the countries to the east of the Mediterranean, usually referring to Asia. The term arises out the western viewpoint that sees this region as pre-modern and traditional mysteries. So all these things were going on. Proto-industry, first industry developed in London during 1854, that is cotton textile industries, and during this time railway engine and underground railway was also developed in London with the help of this steam engine, different type of fears, this and that was also there. But relevant to this chapter, railway engines, this story is not there, only this cotton textile industry is there. Proto industries are there. When this, I draw this picture to show you the spinning jenny, spindles, hook like things are there, plates ups and down, move with the help of that. So ultimately it give benefits to the machinery, not to the hand labor workers. Their demand reduced, then they started once again that type of movements. They wanted good working condition, good wages, right, and they wanted their working hours should be improved. That was already going on, but with the industrialization process, you see what a wide scenario is there. Okay, somewhere people are fighting for these things, some more inventions are there, they are also affecting their life, right? That is there in under the heading of this one, how these industrialization affect the life of the people. As soon as the factories came up, their demand reduced, even they are not able to do earlier protest. They want to be satisfied, limited with that process only that was going on earlier. So in this way, abundance of the labor was affected. Okay, only these jobs were created for their friends, relatives or kinship. Right? So for that there is one more term is created, that is jobbers. Jobbers due to industrialization. These were the people who provide jobs to the unemployed people, who are the job seekers. They go to them and they provide them job. They were working like mediate agents between the people who seek jobs and the job provider. Say industry mill owner या जो भी है उसको जिसके पास वर्क है. So this give a big shift. People from de-urbanization also, people from urban areas start to move to the rural area because they are not getting all the work. But these jobbers are somewhat agents, somehow they manage the thing. They provide job who are the job seekers and provide opportunities to give jobs. The owner, mill owner, factory owner, industrialist, so on so forth, skilled, unskilled, each and every type of workers are available, and they take some type of commission from them in the terms of money. Both are ready, okay, they want workers and workers want work. Ultimately both he will get benefit. That is one more opportunity, mean to say creation of opportunities, as industrialization is threat and creating opportunity. Both threat तो है ही है, लेकिन it has created one new job, that are the jobbers, कि चलो हम एजेंट हैं, हम ये काम करवा देते हैं आप लोगों का. तो in this way life of the workers got affected. Spinning jenny, industrialization, and this one upper class in Victoria, Queen, all these things were there. So dear children, you have to go through your first 3-4 pages page number 105 to 1010, or we can say 11. 105 to 1011. Please go through these page numbers, and I will dictate you some important questions for your post midterm test also accordingly. In our next video, we will see about industrialization in the colonies. When we talk about colonies, it means major two countries are there. London and India contemporarily two cities are there. In Britain it is London, and India it is Bombay. That we will study about our, and there that is very important topics for your industrialization, and it is very important question that it creates threat as well as opportunities for us, and you would have understood कि opportunity भी create हो रही है, threat भी हो रहा है. This is the life. It's going on everywhere. When it stopped, it means to say our life has stopped. Okay students, bye, take care. Don't forget to watch video and prepare your notes.